Shri Srimalan Dhar, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Shakil P. Ahmed, IAS Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, Shri Sanjay Goel, IAS Commissioner and Secretary, Commerce and Industries, Department of Meghalaya, Shri F. Sungta, Director, Commerce and Industries, Government of Meghalaya, distinguished dignitaries, senior officers from the Government of Meghalaya, members of the exporting fraternity, distinguished foreign delegates, ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good morning to you all. It is a matter of great pride and honor to be amongst this august gathering. At the outset, we are sincerely thankful and privileged to the Honorable Chief Minister for sparing his valuable time to grace this occasion. Sir, your presence is a huge encouragement for all of us and speaks volumes of the importance you attach to this important subject of exports. We are also grateful to the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, who's also the in charge of Commerce and Industry, for his exemplary guidance in driving this initiative for the Maiden Rivers Buyer-Seller Meet being organized jointly with FIO. Sir, you have a very dynamic team with whom my team has worked very closely for successful execution of this event. I would also like to extend a very warm welcome to all our distinguished overseas buyers, esteemed MSME entrepreneurs, representatives from industry bodies, and senior officials from the government and trade facilitation agencies. It is a privilege to address you all at this Rivers Buyer-Seller Meet, a platform that reflects Meghalaya's growing aspiration to integrate more meaningfully into global value chains while strengthening our domestic MSME ecosystem. I would like to share that the recently published Export Preparedness Index by the Niti Aayog has shown that Meghalaya's rank has gone up to 27 in terms of Export Preparedness Index. Meghalaya's MSME ecosystem is deeply rooted in natural and cultural strengths. Key sectors with export potentials include bamboo and bamboo-based products, spices such as turmeric and ginger, processed horticulture products like citrus, and handloom and textiles such as ahimsa and eri silk, added with cane and crafted based products and herbal and wellness formulations. These sectors align strongly with the global demand trends for a sustainable, organic, and ethically sourced products. Meghalaya currently has 8 GI products, and the Lakadong turmeric of Meghalaya, which is a GI tag product, has exceptionally high level of curcumin content. Meghalaya's creative economy leverages its culture, music, and natural beauty, with the government actively fostering sectors like film, music concerts, and big names like Ed Sheeran, Akon, Bryan Adams, and Alan Walker have performed in this state in just last year. Let me also apprise that with the help of the department, we've also planned a tourism tour for all the foreign delegates, and we are hopeful that they will be our brand ambassadors once they go back to their countries. The state has a high English-speaking youthful demographic profile, which can play a crucial role in the significant growth of the orange economy of the state. As recently mentioned by the Honorable Finance Minister, budgetary measures have been aimed to create future-ready jobs in strengthening skills in animation, design, and emerging technologies. A critical enabler for expanding the exports is India's growing network of FTAs. The recently signed India-EU FTA, the India-UK CETA, India-Oman Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, India-Australia Economic Cooperation Trade Agreement, and just last night's India-US FTA, provides preferential market access, reduced tariffs, and predictable trade frameworks. However, translating FTA opportunities into tangible export growth requires enterprise-level preparedness. MSMEs must be equipped with a clear understanding of rules of origin, product-specific tariff lines, technical standards, sanitary and phytosanitary requirements, and documentation processes. We at FIO are committed to work closely with the state in this direction through targeted capacity building programs and export awareness workshops. The reverse buyer-seller meet model is an important instrument under India's export promotion architecture, which emphasizes market diversification, MSME integration into global value chains, and district and state level export competitiveness. By directly connecting overseas buyers with local enterprises, this platform enables real-time market feedback, improves compliance readiness, and accelerates commercial partnerships. Through collaborative engagement, informed use of FTAs, and focused sectoral development and continuous engagement with trade facilitation initiatives, we believe that Meghalaya will indeed emerge as a competitive contributor to India's global trade landscape. Thank you, and I wish all the participants a productive and a successful engagement.